Hi, I'm Jessa, and I love teaching math. Let's get started.
Today we're going to continue with distribution. So the topic, we're moving up in our complication of problems. So the problem that we're going to do today will be let's write the variable first, x plus 3 times x squared plus 2x plus 1. All right, so here we have a 2-term and a 3-term quantity. So there's 2 components inside the first and 3 components inside the second. And so we need to distribute in order to simplify this. Now, we are going to continue kind of with the theme that I had introduced in a previous video. We're kind of talking about the fairness principle. So if these are my children, of which I do actually have 2, and these are the toys that my children can play with, then each child has to have a turn with every toy. So that is how we will handle the distribution. So each of the 2 terms in this first, the x and the 3, both need to be multiplied by all 3 pieces of the second. So I will start with the x times x squared. So I like to actually write it like this. I'll do x times this whole thing was 2x plus 1. That's going to be my first. And then I know I'm also going to multiply the 3 by this whole thing, x squared plus 2x plus 1. And when I'm done doing each part separately, I'm going to add it all up. So we'll begin with the x, the first line. So x times x squared is x cubed. X times 2x is 2x squared. And x times 1 is x. Then when I'm looking at my second line here, the 3, I have 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 2x is 6x. And 3 times 1 is 3. Now, in order to get my answer, I need to add it. So x plus 3, this is my original problem, just rewriting it so that I'm clear. The original problem, x plus 3 times x squared plus 2x plus 1, is equal to all of this in the red and the black all added together. So I have x cubed plus 2x squared plus x plus all this stuff in the black, 3x squared plus 6x plus 3. Now, I can do a little bit of combining because I have some like terms. So I have x squared terms here, and I have just regular old x terms, and those can be added together. So in order to simplify, I'll add those, and I'll have x cubed. There was no other x cubed, so he stays by himself. The 2x squared and the 3x squared are added, so 5x squared. The x and the 6x are added, so I have 7x plus 3. And this is the final answer.
If you have extra questions, you can go ahead and post them in the comments, and I'll try to answer as many of those as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to get more help with math and see more of the math content.